14 billion years ago, a quantum fluctuation within the singularity point broke its symmetry, and in so doing, the Big Bang was generated. This catastrophic event created time, space, matter, energy, and the laws of nature that we detect today. Consequently, our universe is the outcome from a point of singularity of infinite density. But was there something before the Big Bang? The expression before something would imply the existence of a past time, but time was created at the exact moment of the Big Bang. So without the existence of a past, this question's premise falls apart. The cosmic space formed by the Big Bang can be visualized as an intangible sea of energy in continuous expansion. This immaterial ocean gives rise to waves of infinitesimal packages of energy known as quanta, which in turn are filled with information. In fact, this is the fabric of our universe where quantum particles emerged. Each specific quantum particle is associated with a wave function. A wave function is a mathematical expression that labels a quantum particle, much like an identification card. And when the wave functions of quantum particles mingle, quantum objects appear, which in turn, and through a similar process, creates a quantum system. This remarkable phenomenon of nature is known as quantum coherence. But how can a quantum object become the physical object that our senses detect? Through another profound mystery of nature, quantum decoherence. The quantum decoherence phenomenon is an irreversible event where a shapeless quantum object is transfigured into a well-formed physical object within our mind. For this to happen, it is necessary for the wave function of a quantum system to collapse. And the only way that this wave function can collapse is if some living organism makes a measurement. In other words, an observation. So without observation, there is no collapse of the wave function. Without the wave function collapse, there is no decoherence. Without decoherence, what we think is our real world simply cannot exist. In conclusion, atomic, subatomic, and field physicists all acknowledge without reservation that the observer creates his own physical reality. Of all the natural laws born of the Big Bang, Professor de Azagra believes that evolution and entropy are the essential universal principles that radically impact our psyche in the interrelationship with our environment. Evolution is a phenomenon that tends to constantly create more complex and unsymmetrical entities. Entropy is the phenomenon that tends to break the inner bindings of any organized entity. Therefore, entropy is always trying to destroy evolution, meaning that nothing in the universe can be stable. In this intense war between evolution and entropy, the ultimate loser will be evolution. As a result, all stars will gradually disintegrate. In the end, only black holes will remain, which are enormous amounts of matter stuffed into tiny amounts of space. Over time, even the black holes will evaporate. When this happens, in about 10 to the power of 100 years from now, the universe will return to the perfect symmetry that it had at the very moment of the Big Bang. The final product will be a universe filled only with radiation within an incommensurable silent space.